Okay, I want to do some constraint examples. I've got a script task here that will fail this task if you select no. It will end this task with success if you say yes. So let's try and see what happens if we do that. So now if we do this and we run it, everything just goes right through, which is kind of strange. That means, see, if I say no, then none of these tasks, oh, that's what happened. The done ran, but these didn't run. Okay, so let's rerun this. Okay, see, the done is this guy. So if a task doesn't have anything pointing to it, this one has things pointing away from it, and this has nothing pointing to it, then those tasks will both start. So this task ran and completed when I checked it. Now this one is still waiting for me to check. Now if I say yes, then it's going to actually run both of these. So now they passed. And if I say no, then it's going to fail, and neither one of these will run. But of course that one ran because it's one of the starting ones. Okay, so but what we want to do is we want to run this one on failure, this one on success. So what we have to do is, and you notice when we click on this, there's no red arrow to grab here. What we have to do, since this is we're in the control flow, what you have to do to get a red arrow is you have to click on it and select failure. So now this one will get failure. Now let's go ahead and connect the script that has our done on it. And so you would think, okay, if we code this way, then it'll come this way and go this. So this looks fine, right? Not really. Okay, so if we choose left, okay, it goes to the left, but we didn't get the done. That's because both of these have to be true. When you have multiple arrows coming into a script task, if there's the standard default solid line green arrow, then that means it has to be this and whatever green arrows are coming in. They all have to be true. And in this case, only this one's true. This one's not true. We didn't go this way. So if we rerun this and we select failure, we select no, then we'll run that task. But again, we didn't do that because we didn't come down this way and get this one. So what we have to do is we have to turn these from an and into an or. And you do that by editing it. And then you've got this, you've got the logical and, you've got the logical or. One constraint must evaluate true. So if any one of the constraints coming in evaluates true, it'll run. If it's an and, then they all have to be true. We want that one. Notice that turned both of them into ors, because it wouldn't really make sense to leave that as an and, because we're already saying or here. So that means all the incoming ones have to become or. It's either and or it's or. So now when we run it, it should perform the way we were trying to get it to work. So we will choose left, and we hit left, and we hit done. So that's exactly what we wanted. And if we rerun this and we choose no, so now that runs the right task and it chooses done. So that's what we want to do.